I'm doing some of my last prunings today because it's warming up now and the plants just want to shoot. So this here is the elderflower, one that I really like, makes really good berries. And I'm cutting above the node like that. The wonder about these plants, these really woody stems, is that all these little dots over here are potential places where they can actually root. I'll be putting this in a bucket of water, and in about a month's time they'll actually start sprouting. So from another shrub, I've actually prepared here in a bucket these shoots, and you can actually start seeing that they are busy pushing teeny weeny little white roots. So they don't need the nodes for sprouting. They actually will just do it all along the stem, and that will just become nice and strong. Once they've been soaking and they start showing a sign of life again, the little growth spurts here, you actually would just stick it into your pot. And I usually do 2, in case one doesn't want to do it, on either side. And in another month or so, they'll start sprouting. So when they're slightly more mature, you can always split and divide them. But this is a very, very easy way to do all those really woody shrubs that have the ability to sprout along the stalk itself.